that. Please do it again for the ladies. Come on. Flex up, Dad Bod.
What?
Hold on, let me zoom in on it. We didn't get a good shot. We got to zoom in.
Oh, come on now.
We can't see them. They're not big enough. So go ahead and flex it now, buddy.
So, how do these look?
Look great.
Look pretty good?
Absolutely superb. Absolutely superb.
Want to see the light?
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Let's see those abs now.
Fuck you.
Going fine. Season 3. Okay, so season 3 of the vlog here, and it's pretty much started like shit. I have not been doing a good job filming, but we have been struggling all week. We're just super busy, and we leave. So right now it's Friday. We leave on Wednesday to go out west for 2 weeks. So, and I have a ton of stuff. So we basically have our production work here. That's our first production job, which I haven't even started, and that's not all of it. They have 25 more pieces they're bringing me. 86 CR frame and subframe, which we got to get done. We've got some small like tow hooks. These parts are all for a SEMA car. I've got this Cummins piece here. These steps for a trailer I got to get done. I did get these shot today, so that's good. And we've got this is a motorcycle wheel that goes with those parts on the rack there. Now, let me show you why we've been having issues. So I use my oven all the time, obviously, and you know, it's electronic, and sometimes electronics don't always work. So let me pop this open here and I'll show you. Okay, so this is inside the control box. So as you can see, this wire here is burnt out, and this is pretty much failed. So we need another piece or another relay here, so that we can get this back on track, because this is pretty much a ticking time bomb. It's just like melting this wire, and basically what will happen is it'll end up melting it right off, and the oven will quit working. So we've got Matt on the way over with a new relay, so that hopefully we can get everything together here, and I think I hear Matt coming in right now, and be able to just turn and turn and turn and turn and turn. So he gets here, we'll get this done, and then hopefully we'll be back in business. Hopefully. Super dark over there.
Just producing some grade A content here.
Dude, grade A content. I was just actually giving the rundown because I've been doing shit filming this weekend, or this week.
I can hear you outside as I was peeing on the wall.
That's nice of you. Thank you for peeing on the wall and not just on the ground. It's very nice of you. You're like my saving grace right now. because I'm freaking out.
Don't actually put that on the channel. That's pretty bad in there.
I don't care. It's already on, dude. It's already filmed. We're already in it. So, but you're gonna fix this, and the new box for that oven is way better, right?
It's way better.
Awesome. This is why we love you. All right, cool. So we're wrapping up the first episode of season 3 here. This is a hell of a way to wrap it up. I'm not trying to shoot this in the dark, but the power went out about an hour ago. So supposedly in the next 45 minutes, we're going to have power back. We'll see. If it doesn't come back on, I've got a couple of parts I got to go shoot at Scott's house because they have to be done for tomorrow. And other than that, I'm pretty much fucked. Completely and utterly just fucked because I have so much I need to do. So I'm kind of fingers crossed the power comes back on. But there's a big outage. It's like a lot of... It's a huge area that's out right now. So the other day there was a power station south of us that went out that took out 2 towns for like a long time. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. So I am, yeah, I'm here. Luckily the laptop was charged. We're gonna do some editing while we're waiting to see if the power comes back on. If not, then I guess we're SOL and we'll get to it later. But yeah, so this is gonna wrap up the first episode of season 3. Building the business. The business is absolutely insane right now, and I can't do anything with it. So tune in next week to see how this ends.